Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Sacramento, California, Central. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Featuring an outdoor pool, this motel is 2 miles from California State University, Sacramento. It features rooms that include a cable TV with extended channels and free Wi-Fi. Laundry facilities is also located on site. Each air-conditioned room at Motel 6 Sacramento Central features a private bathroom. All rooms boast vibrant decor and light wood furnishings. Sacramento Central Motel 6 offers 24-hour reception. Fax and photocopying services are available. Arden Fair Shopping Center is 4 miles from this motel. Sacramento Convention is 10 minutes drive away. Thunder Valley Casino is 30 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.